To my best friend Aaron, there's no doubt in my heart. Oh my god. I got this.
You know that you're my everything.
There's no doubt in my heart that you're my person, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I promise to always communicate with you freely, never to hold back, but to be honest and loyal as your wife, to love you fiercely, and to love you without measure.
I can breathe, I can see when I got your love, when I got your love.
Between us, there's always been the kind of love and understanding that is only shared when there is true love. You have helped me triumph over challenges, encouraged my personal growth, and lifted me up when I've needed it.
When I got your love, when I got your love.
I vow to set an example of real love, so one day our boys, Jaden, Leighton and Liam, can find it for themselves and settle for nothing less.
You have helped me become the person I am today. I love the way you care for me. I love the way you believe in me. Not only are you my best friend and my lover, but you're now my wife. So good luck, because you're stuck with me now.
I can breathe, I can see when I got your love.
It is now my great pleasure to declare you husband and wife. Everyone give a big round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Cameron.
Aaron, I thought today would be the best day of my life, but spending the rest of my days with you and our boys makes me believe the best is yet to come.
When